Hi and welcome to section 11, Deep Neural Networks. In the previous section we learned about biometric face recognition. In this section we'll learn building Perceptron, single layer neural network and deep neural network. We would then move on to creating vector quantizer, building recurrent neural network, and finally we would take a look at visualizing characters and building an optimal character recognizer. Now we move on to the first video of this section that deals with building a perceptron. In this video we'll first create a Python file and define some input data. We'll then plot the data to see where the data points are located. Further, we'll define a perceptron and train it. Let's start our neural network adventure with a perceptron. A perceptron is a single neuron that performs all the computation. It's a very simple model, but it forms the basis of building up complex neural networks. Here is what it looks like. The neuron combines the inputs using different weights, and it then adds a bias value to compute the output. It's a simple linear equation relating input values with the output of the perceptron. Let's create a new Python file called perceptron.py and import the necessary packages. Now define some input data and their corresponding labels. Let's plot this data to see where the data points are located. Now define a perceptron with two inputs. This function also needs us to specify the minimum and maximum values in the input data. Let's train the perceptron now. The number of epochs specifies the number of complete passes through our training dataset. The show parameter specifies how frequently we want to display the progress. The LR parameter specifies the learning rate of the perceptron. It's the step size for the algorithm to search through the parameter space. If this is large, then the algorithm may move faster, but it might miss the optimum value. If this is small, then the algorithm will hit optimum value, but it will be slow. So it's a trade-off. Hence, we choose a value of 0.01. Let's plot the results as follows. The full code is given in the perceptron.py file that's already provided to you. If you run this code, you'll see two figures. The first figure displays the input data. The second figure displays the training error progress. So, we saw how to build a perceptron. In the next video, we'll learn about a single layer neural network.